Hello everyone and welcome back to another EasyWay video where I'm going to teach you how you can write on color in Discord. This is very simple. As you can see, I'm writing in green, red and blue. So what do we have to do to get this result? Okay, we have to go to this website that I will let the links on the description, and as here you can see the examples that I just used. For example, you can copy this one and you can paste it like here, and you can have the red color. For example, I'm going to write EasyWay. As you can see, the text is in the color that I wanted to, but you can come back to this website and you can see that there are a lot of colors like green, dark green, dark green. The only thing you have to do is to copy this, then you have to copy this text here, and then you have to put back those three dots like this. So in the middle of these three dots, you have to write your message, and as you can see, it's written on this little darker box. Then you have to use these commands like here, and as you can see I did this. Then you have to copy these three dots and then press enter. As you can see, I'm writing on color. So if this video was useful for you, please comment, share, like, subscribe, press the bell, the subscription button, and see you in another EasyWay video. Goodbye.